Welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day. And when you make small choices every day, perhaps you've noticed it adds up. So the question is, are you getting the results that you want? And walking in circles is about the thought that we can reach our goals, but we do it like one step at a time, 1/4 mile at a time. You don't just run a marathon, you have to train for it. You have to put in the work every day. So walking in circles is about your goals. What Nest Pretty goals do you have? So I'm going to share with you a goal of mine and also one of my thought distortions that I fight against every day. So I know I'm not alone on this, but I have the goal of losing 20 pounds. What? Oh my God. And here's my thought distortion, and it shows up in a lot of ways in my life, and that is I am an all or nothing kind of girl. I know that because I'm constantly reminded of it, especially when we're in the car, and my husband is like, can we just do like the middle ground? And that's because I get cold, and so I turn the heat all the way up. And then I get hot, so I turn the air conditioner all the way up. And he's like, can we just put it at a happy place? Of course, he's not dealing with the same hormones I am, but this has been my MO for my whole life. Hot, cold, all the way, all or nothing, blah, 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 blah. So last night I decided I'm going to lose a pound this week. That's my goal. Forget about the big, huge picture. What can I do this week to lose 1 pound? Now, my brain hates that. My brain hates it. What's pound? Well, 20 minus 1 equals 19. It's one step in the right direction. And here's the thing. It's simple. But simple doesn't mean easy. And I don't know if you've noticed, but every single weight loss program, every single diet book, they're all the same. Eat your fruits. Eat your vegetables. I love fruits and vegetables. I absolutely adore them. They're my favorite thing in the world. But because it's simple, I think I put up a little resistance to it. So the cool thing is, when you think about your goals and try to determine what it is that is stopping you from reaching your goals, you can become aware of these little thought distortions, like all or nothing, or that's too simple, it has to be harder. So I'm here to encourage you to be aware of your thoughts. If you have a goal that you're trying to reach, what is the next step? The next simple step. It is Monday. Let's make it simple. Let's make it easy. And, do that every day for a week and see if you can get closer to the big goal by reaching a little goal. And you know when I'm talking to you, I'm talking to me, right? Okay, so it's a thing. So here's one thing, I ran a little behind today. In my morning, I was having so much fun in my office. So I'm not in spandex, I'm in my street clothes. And perhaps you have a thought distortion that I can't exercise unless I'm wearing spandex, unless I have exercise clothes on. But that's not true. We can move our bodies in our pajamas. We can move our bodies in our street clothes. And if we have the time to put on exercise clothes and really make a commitment, and do the thing, then we can do that too. But it doesn't have to be all, and it doesn't have to be nothing. So here I am wearing my street clothes, walking in circles, sharing a little bit of encouragement for you and for me that small steps every day add up. And my goal this week is 1 pound. And just because it's simple doesn't mean it's easy. I hope this inspires you to reach out towards your goal, whatever it is. Imagine what the next step is. Even if it's simple, embrace it. Because we can do simple. We can do simple. Just because it's not all, we can do simple. And here's the other thing, like between nothing and all, there are so many varying degrees of moving forward, of success, of accomplishment. And so that is me this week choosing a step up from nothing and several steps back from everything. I hope that encourages you. So here's the thing, I'm a closet coach. And if your closet is causing you angst, imagine this thought that what you see in your closet is a reflection of what's going on in your mind. And if you want to enjoy the process of getting dressed in the morning, then it's a process. I'm telling you, it takes work, it takes time, it takes intention. And I'm here to help you if you like. Take the first step toward cleaning the clutter out of your mind that is your closet. I hope you have a fantastic day. I know I just dropped a whole bunch of stuff for you to think about, but I hope it inspires you. And I hope you have a fantastic day. We will talk soon. Bye.